Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a topic journaling tips and its acronym Right to Remember. If you are struggle with stress, depression or anxiety, keeping a journal can be a great idea. Journaling is a simply writing down your thoughts and feelings to understand them more clearly. It can help you to gain control of your emotions and improve your mental health. Natalie Goldberg said, whether you are keeping a journal or writing as a meditation, it is the same things. What's important is you are having a relationship with your mind. Journaling oblique expressive writing has been found to number 1 boost your mood's oblique effect, number 2 enhance your sense of well-being, number 3 reduce symptoms of depression before an important events like an exam, number 4 reduce intrusion and avoidance symptoms post trauma, number 5 improve your working memory. How to journal? Four tips to get started with journaling. Number 1. Try to write every day. Set aside a few minutes every day to write. This will help you to write in your journal regularly. Number 2. Make it easy. Keep a pen and paper handy at all times. Then, when you want to write down your thoughts, you can. You can also keep a journal on your smartphone. Number 3. Write or draw whatever feels right. Your journal does not need to follow any certain structure. It is your own private place to discuss and create whatever you want to express your feelings. Let the words and ideas flow freely. Don't worry about spelling mistakes or what other people might think. Number 4. Use your journal as you see fit. You don't have to share your journal with anyone. If you want to share some of your thoughts, then trusted friends and loved ones, you could show them as parts of your journal. Journaling can be remembered with a simple acronym WRITE, that is WRITE. W for what topic? What do you want to write about? Think about what is going on in your life, your current thoughts and feelings, what you are striving towards or trying to avoid right now. Give it the name and put it all on paper. R for review or reflect. Take a few moments to be still, calm your breath and focus. A little mindfulness or meditation could help in this step. Try to start sentences with I. Statements like I feel, I want, and I think. Also try to keep them in a present tense with sentence systems like today, right now, or in this moment. I for investigate. Investigate your thoughts and feelings through your writing. Just keep going. If you feel you have run out of things to write or your mind starts to wander, take a moment to refocus. Another opportunity for mindfulness meditation. Read over what you have just written and continue on. T for time yourself. Time yourself to ensure that you write for at least 5 minutes or whatever your current goal is. Write down your start time and the projected end time based on your goal at the top of your page. Set a timer or alarm to go off when the time periods you have set is up. E for exit smart. Exit strategically and with introspection. Read what you have written and take a moment to reflect on it. Sum up your takeaway in 1 or 2 sentences, starting with statements like, as I read this, I notice, I am aware of, or I feel. If you have any action items or step you would like to take next, write them down now. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. If you like the contents of the video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.